Ever since Mint shut down, I've been searching for something to replace it with. And I found Quick and Simplified. That wasn't it. I kept searching and then I found Monarch Money. And for the first time in a long time, it made me feel in control of my money again. Let me show you why. Now, first, life got busier and I had health challenges. I want to retire in 10 years. So these are some facts that I had to focus on. I needed my full financial picture in one place, and I was losing control of tracking, and I just needed to pull it all in. I actually loved Mint, and when it shut down, I tried Quick and Simplify. It was $2.99 a month, and you had to pay yearly. But I barely used it for that year. So when it was about to renew at around $70, I said, absolutely not. I don't want to waste my money. That's when I kept searching and I found Monarch Money. Now, Monarch Money has a 7-day free trial. So, okay, I could try it. If I don't like it, move on to the next. I actually did like it, and I paid for there was a discounted offer. So I paid for the year with a discounted offer. And that came up to around 50. I got the exact numbers, but that came around to 50, say $4. Not too bad. So I tried that. Now, when it renews, it's going to be $99, give or take. I'm okay with that. I actually have a link that I'll put in the comments, and you could get 50% off your first year of Monarch if you want to try it. I do get a reward. And remember, I was a paying customer before I found the link. So Quicken doesn't have a trial. I just have to hope for the best. But Monarch did have a trial before I committed. So Quicken Simplified is backed by Quicken's long reputation, and it's an established and trustworthy brand. It tracks spending and generates reports. It's a clean enough interface, and it works for users who primarily want simple spending tracking. It has its strengths. It just wasn't right. It wasn't the right fit for me. So here's why Monarch Money won me over. It had a full financial picture that I needed. I was able to put in my multiple accounts, my different credit cards, my investments. I was able to put that all in one place. I like that it had net worth tracking. And since I'm going to retire, I want to retire in 10 years. This is very important for me to track. I like that it had different customizable goals that I could put in. I also like that I could link my credit card. I also like that it gave me the option to link my credit score. It also had an AI assistant, but I haven't tried that one yet. But I'll let you know when I do try it. It also has joint budgeting. So if that's needed, you might like that feature. So side by side, with Quick and Simplified, there was no free trial. With Monarch, it was a 7 days. And the price that I paid for Quick and Simplified with the discounted price was $39.06. And the renewal price was $71.88. With Monarch, the discounted price was $54.43. And the yearly renewal is $99.99. The network tracking was limited with Quicken Simplify, and I believe it's strong on Monarch Money. The dashboard customization was basic for Quicken Simplify, and there is a dashboard customization on Monarch Money that I like. The weekly recap. Now, there isn't a weekly recap on Quicken Simplify, and there is one on Monarch Money. So for Quicken Simplify, I think it's best for spending and tracking, and for Monarch Money, I think it's best for the full financial picture. Both platforms have strengths And it really depends on your specific financial need and the season of life that you're in. So that's where I am right now. And Monica is working for me. And that's really all I can ask for in this season. If you're still searching for the right tool, let me know in the comments. I would love to hear what you're using. Also, don't forget, I dropped the link in the comments if you want to try Monarch. And if this helped you at all, just hit like before you go. And I'll see you in the next one.